Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of June 22nd, 2020. And first of all, happy Father Day to all of the fathers out there. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction for my members to make some extra daily income and give out a long-term price direction for swing trade with a bigger profit potential. Last week, the market is in sideways correction, trying to digest the second wave of coronavirus. We may have to live with it until we have a vaccine to take care of it. I believe the recent stock market crash is the opportunity of a lifetime. Thousands of investors will make a big money because of it. Unfortunately, most investors, out of fear, will wait for the next to return to historic highs before they start trading again. By then, they will have missed out on their share of a multi-trillion dollar economic recovery over the next coming year. The market will do whatever they want to do. As a trader, we only focus on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. This is the right time for you to wake up and learn. All you need to do is learn how to understand and read the price chart by using modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology. You can predict where it will go next. This is the only survival technical skill that you should learn so that you can manage your own financial future, like 401k and IRA account, so that you can have something left to support your family when you are no longer working. And in Talk Navigator, we are not yet helping you to understand how to use modern technical analysis in trading, but we also mentor you until you are successful in our live trading room every day. This week, you should look in the strong stock in the sector like biotech. If you look at here, a lot of the stock that have been going up very strong for the last couple of days. Let's say the engine, they have been after they pulled back to the support, they break out and continue to go higher. And you can see, uh, let me see here, uh, and you can see that many of them are already breaking out and try to break out to the upside. And right now, a lot of stock aim to find a way to get back up. Let me show you a couple of them so that you can see here. So a lot of them, after they stabilize, right now they try to build momentum in the upside. Okay, merge another one after they pull back down. Now they try to find a way to uh, go back up, and you can see here it's another one. And look at a lot of technology stock like Tesla. As you can see, Tesla it have been uh, uh, go above 1,000. They pull back up. So this area here it used to be a strong sell zone. So now they become a support. So as long as they still hold up about the sell zone, the market is still heading up in the upside for Tesla. And a lot of uh, airline and including Boeing, after they run up and right now they go sideways, as you can see here, the market will continue to go sideways until they be able to get back to the momentum and then push it higher. So look at this week, as you can see that the overall market right now is still in the sideways correction. As you can see here, after they come down, they go back up and then they go sideways. So they try to build the flag formation here. So as long as the market is still okay, they will find a way to continue to go higher. So at this moment, as long as they stay above this level here, they will still consider it's in uptrend. And if you look at the short term on the ES future, you can see that on Friday, after they come back, they retest the top. They couldn't make a high, so they pull back down, but they go right into the support area. So right now they try to find a way to push it back up. So we will stuck into the trading range here until they be able to break out the downtrend line here, so that we can get back up and then test the gap they coming down last week. Okay, so if you look at the Dow, it's very similar. They stuck into this flag formation here, as you can see here on the both time frame. So after they pull back, they hit right into the support. Right now, they try to find the way to push it back up. The Nasdaq, the technology stock is still very strong. They have no problem at all. They pull back down, but they hold it up, and now they try to find a way to put it back up again. And the Russell 2000 is very similar, as you can see here. They go up, they're in the flag formation here, so we were stuck in this trend bow here until they break out, as you can see clearly here. And gold try to gain some momentum in the upside after they pull back to the support, and now they try to retest this area here. If they break out this downtrend line here, the gold will have more potential. So that's the first level they will test it. We will see what they're going to do next week. And oil, after they hit to the first level of resistance, they pull back to the support. So now they try to gain more momentum and try to put it up to the next level of the resistance. And the euro, they still stuck into the correction, but they have a strong support here at 111. And let's see that they will hang around here. They try to bow back up and retest the downtrend line in the next couple of days. Let's see where they go. And bond, uh, they try to push it back up when the market it try to go sideways. As you can see here, they try to gain some momentum with the upside. So, but they have a major resistance at 178 right now. And the Bitcoin is still going sideways. Uh, they will tuck into this range. If they push it back up, they will retake back to 95, 90, somewhere around 95, 96 area here, which is a downtrend line resistance right there. So this is what I have for you for this week. And happy Father Day again. And then during the week, I will update for you more detail to see where the market heading to. So if you like what I'm doing here for you, please give me a thumb up and sign up for our YouTube. So every time we have a new video, we will let you know. And if you would like to learn more about our strategy, our method of trading, and you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.